If you want an easy way to launch a cloud server without dealing with complex configurations, AWS Lightsail is one of the best options available. And when you combine it with CloudRaptor, the entire setup becomes fast, automated, and beginner-friendly. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to connect AWS Lightsail with CloudRaptor and launch your server. Let's get started. First, a quick overview. Amazon Web Services Lightsail is a simplified cloud service designed for users who want predictable pricing and quick deployment. Instead of configuring everything manually like in EC2, Lightsail gives you pre-configured servers with fixed CPU, RAM, storage, and bandwidth. It's perfect for WordPress sites, small business websites, MVPs, and staging environments. When you use CloudRaptor, it automates everything, from server provisioning to security and optimization, so you can focus on your application instead of server setup. Now let's go step by step. Step 1. Create AWS IAM credentials. Start by logging into your AWS console. Once you're inside, go to IAM, then click on Users. Create a new user and make sure to enable programmatic access. Next, assign the necessary permissions. For this setup, you'll want permissions that include Lightsail and EC2 access. Once the user is created, you'll get two important credentials, your access key ID and your secret access key. Make sure to copy and store these securely. You'll need them in the next step. Step 2. Add AWS credentials in CloudRaptor. Now head over to your CloudRaptor dashboard. Go to Settings, then click on Credentials. Click Add Credentials and select AWS as your provider. Now enter your details. Give it a label, for example, Lightsail account. Paste your access key ID and secret access key. Then choose your default region. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your credentials are now securely stored and ready to use. Step 3. Launch your Lightsail server. Now it's time to launch your server. Go to the Server section and click Create Server. Select AWS Lightsail as your provider if it's available in your plan. Now configure your server. Choose a region close to your users for better performance. Select an instance plan based on your CPU and RAM needs. Configure your storage and give your server a name. Then, select the AWS credentials you added earlier. Once everything is set, click Launch Server. Now CloudRaptor takes over. It will automatically provision your Lightsail instance, configure firewall rules, install and register the CloudRaptor agent, and optimize your server for deployment. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once provisioning is complete, your server will appear as active in the dashboard. At this point, your AWS Lightsail server is fully connected, secured, and ready for deploying your applications. And that's it. You've successfully connected AWS Lightsail with CloudRaptor and launched your server. If you found this helpful, check the description for more step-by-step tutorials like this.